morning, guys. It is a Saturday morning and it is officially the hottest day in 4 years. So it's set to hit 40 degrees today. And we are going and doing a Thai cooking class. And they've just told us that the aircon's broken, so love that for us. Excuse the roof of the car. This is why I never film in the car, because the lining of our car has been cut off, so it always looks horrible in here. But anyway, we are just about to head down to the beach. I've just done a Pilates class, but we're just gonna go down to the beach. Hopefully we can find parking. I'm hoping that most people think it's too hot to go to the beach today. We're just literally gonna jump in the water, cool down, and then go back home to start getting ready for the day. This is also going to be the first time that I've had a drink in 4 weeks, so I'm actually looking forward to having a drink in the sun. It's always like the sun that makes me want to have a drink, so that's basically the plan. We're meeting Rob and Gemma at, I think we'll meet them at like 12:30 to get a taxi over to Balmain and get cooking. It's like Thai and Vietnamese food, which we've never cooked, well, Stephen has never cooked before in his life, but now he's got no excuses after a course today. I am so surprised how busy it is considering it's so warm out. Like, I was not expecting this many people on a 40-degree day. So we do this every time, by the way, we come to the beach. We try to drive here to find parking and then drive around for ages trying to find parking. Anyway, today we literally spent more time trying to find a parking spot than we've just spent in the water. Like, we literally just jumped in to cool off and then we're literally about to leave in a second. So very worthwhile trying to spend like 20 minutes trying to find a parking spot to spend 5 minutes in the water. But we're kind of in a bit of a rush today because I need to go home. I'm gonna have to wash my hair and like get ready for this. Hey guys, so we are out.
Hey guys!
What's your thing? Wealth mindset?
What is it? The Wealth Mindset RN.
Follow him on Instagram. So we have just come for a couple of quick drinks. We're just about to head to our cooking class. It's literally like an oven at the moment. It is 40 degrees.
The Wealth Mindset RN. .RN.
It is an oven right now, and the aircon, like I said earlier, is broken. So this is going to be interesting, but I'm excited to actually learn how to cook something. It's great that just Stephen and I are learning how to cook Thai food prior to going to Thailand for 2 weeks. So yeah.
PP.
PP. Why are you doing bicep curls?
I'm just thinking this.
So we just made it to the cooking course. We were late, so everyone was waiting for us because we couldn't find the place, but we are all set up for this.
A lot of cooking, huh?
Got all of our ingredients. Yeah, the most cooking you've ever done in your life. First course.
This is the rice paper roll. We're gonna make some Vietnamese rice paper rolls. Pork, cucumber, hoisin sauce.
Where are you getting the pork? So talk us through what you're doing.
Let this set for 30 seconds. Cut.
Oh, let me open your sauce.
What does that say?
No.
Because it's so,
oily one.
a wonderful sauce.
Very spicy.
Yeah, because they're on a lot. Yeah, exactly.
You would not survive with Gemma Ingles' household.
Yeah, I think that's spicy.
Do you make toast spicy?
Chili toast.
I love it. Yeah. Can we have 2 more rice paper rolls? Oh, of course. I've got
Oh, there's one in there.
Is there? No, there's not.
There is.
Too soft. So I will get rid of that one.
Was that?
I'm already on my first.
Few seconds.
Do you need some more paper?
We'll try. What is this? What did she say? This is satay. I don't think I like satay.
I really like satay.
I don't like peanuts.
Back home.
Oh, I don't think you really like satay then.
What?
Yeah, I don't like peanuts.
Thank you very much. No, it's not directly peanuts though.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's made out of peanut.
Yeah, but it's not. It doesn't taste like peanut butter.
There we go.
Normal.
Okay, so Rob is really struggling with the chilies. So I've gone with just little 3.
If you want
These are
more of
mine,
this sauce,
so
just
wish
let
me
know.
luck.
Oh, thank you. That's my favourite one.
So I've just had a rice paper rolls. We were testing the chilies.
I didn't think anyone
These little chilies here. The first one I had was fine. It got very, very, very hot after that. Stephen didn't try them. Rob, what did you think of the
Does
chilies?
everybody like mushrooms?
Yeah, unbearable.
Gem?
5 minutes of pain.
I thought it was fine, and then my eyes wouldn't stop watering.
Pain.
No, I'm not having this one. It's
Chilies.
No, so did you kick them out?
Yeah, this one's covered in the
Mate, that's
chili,
for you.
so I can't.
Okay, so we're on meal number 2, which is Vietnamese cabbage salad. So it's basically chicken and vegetables, pretty much.
Pho. Not pho. Not pho. Pho. It goes up, doesn't it? Yeah.
Pho.
And most people... Yeah.
Genius.
It's not... in Sydney, in the old days, they used to call it po, nearly. Po and pho. And it's not like that at all. But I'm going to show you the stock once it heats, and you can see all the wonderful ingredients that goes into stock. I could talk about stock for about 5 hours, which we haven't got, but this is the beef from the stock, and I wanted to show you, take it out, you put it into the fridge, and then you slice it really thin. In Vietnam, you would have cooked and raw, and they would put raw, very thin beef into the stock, but then it will cook as the stock is boiling.
Go on, what do you think?
Taste that, it's incredible.
Can I have some? It's really rich.
Ray, can you get some little teaspoons, please?
It's like the fat on a steak, but like much richer.
I could if I knew where they were.
Okay, so
I'm
this
not
is
even
our
joking,
final
you can
course.
actually taste that
For our
marrow
first.
versus like a restaurant job.
Yeah, now
What's that?
The marrow is coming through like no tomorrow.
Rob's been delegated to
Fantastic.
water. The wealth mindset has been delegated to water.
Water mindset.
Wealth mindset's in a pickle.
The water mindset.
Right, so everyone else is at a normal point in their dish. This
And you're
man,
very welcome to pick up your bowl and drink your broth.
Yeah, absolutely.
all of his noodles
in
are
Asia, it's
waiting.
very exciting. Does anybody want more chili or anything?
Salt Bay. Cheers it, cheers the bowl.
Yeah.
Just keep this stock.
And what they say is there'll be 1 cup of 60-year-old stock.
One of them's peanut butter, and I didn't hear what she said the other one was. We just share one. Verdict.
And I've got another flavour in there too, but you're very welcome to have.
Not much flavour.
It's a black sesame.
What flavour is this one?
That's pandan.
eat that one first, that one's okay.
It's actually a green tea. It's green tea.
Oh, and
This one's green tea?
Yeah,
Yeah.
green tea. And what was your favourite?
Oh, there's no question for him.
the pho.
How'd you say
With
it?
a bit of aggression. That's it.
Mine was the salad, but I did really like the satay sauce.
You don't?
No, I did.
He liked the apple.
Special mention to the satay sauce.
My husband thinks I should be following that. So
Yeah, it's
I might
good. It
work
is
on
good.
that.
I really like this, like the soup part that was left over from the pho
Yeah.
and the rice paper rolls with the satay sauce.
Wow.
Good.
Wow.
And yours?
Oh, I love the dipping sauce that you had, but it's the salad. So delicious.
Isn't it amazing that a salad could nearly win?
I know. It's a winner.
So this is the place that we did.
The wealth mindset. This fella can teach you how to create wealth, how to save money, and how to invest, baby.
And he's also driving us home. Thank you, Rob.
He's not. But anyway, back to the vlog. Back to you in the vlog room. This is where...
Get on this place. This place is unbelievable. Lovely food, lovely guests.
Lovely Natasha.
You'll have a great time. BYO as well. You'll save money on the alcohol. Phenomenal.
Hey guys, so this is just a little short video this week. We obviously did the cooking course yesterday. It was so much fun. Wouldn't really say it was a cooking course. It was more like they made us try Vietnamese and Thai dishes. I actually don't even know if any of the dishes were Thai, but there were definitely Vietnamese dishes there that we were trying. It was kind of like everything was pre-prepared, and there was one thing, like the rice paper rolls we like put together ourselves, but they'd already like pre-made, like pre-cut all the veggies and stuff. And then everything else was pretty much already made for us, and they just gave it to us to eat. So we're not really complaining about that, to be honest, because honestly it was like so hot yesterday that you wouldn't have wanted to be like over an oven or a hob like cooking in that heat. So it was actually okay, to be honest. It was really good fun. We would definitely do something like that again. I would be really interested in doing one that is more like actual physical cooking, because like I actually genuinely want to improve my culinary skills. So I know taking a cooking class was one of my things on my 30 before 30, but I don't don't think I'll tick it off with what we did yesterday. I'm not sure yet because, like I said, it wasn't actually really much physical cooking. Anyway, this is me just closing off the video for this week. I really haven't done anything today. Woke up this morning. In fact, I woke up really early this morning. I didn't sleep well last night. We obviously drank yesterday. It wasn't even a late night, like it was an early night, but obviously, you know, when you have alcohol in your system, you just don't sleep very well, and I always wake up so early. And today I have just been binging Vampire Diaries. So basically I started watching Vampire Diaries again, and now after like being like 1 season in, found out that Netflix is getting rid of it by the 31st of December, so trying to get it finished. I'm currently on, where am I? I'm on season 4 episode 2, so I'm like slowly working my way. I must be about halfway. I think there's 8 seasons of it. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I know it's a bit of a shorter video this week, but thanks for watching and see you next time.